Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. As you can see, it's a beautiful but hot day here in filthy Cleveland. So I pulled out of the garage my beautiful 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I decided to butcher that beautiful machine. But I'm also going to tell you, in this video, we're going to be using the new Insta360 Magic Pro. And let me tell you guys, these things sound absolutely amazing. I love the fact that you could put your logo or pretty much any sort of picture you want on the mic receivers. That is totally awesome. I'm also going to embed one of these guys into my Alpinestar SuperTech R10 helmet, and I'm going to pair it with the Marc Marquez Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And just wait till you hear how awesome the audio sounds with these beautiful new mics. I'm also going to install onto my beautiful motorcycle the Insta360 Magic Arm. And let me tell you guys, first and foremost, this device does not damage or alter your motorcycle in any way. I'm going to show you just how easy and quick it is to install onto a motorcycle. But trust me, I would not use this amazing product if there were a risk of damaging my beautiful $85,000 purebred, one of 163 global units. So I already installed a Magic Arm on the left side of the motorcycle. It's connected and working great. I do want to mention that all of the Magic Arm parts are made of high quality materials. So I believe they're going to really hold up nicely at speed, but we're going to figure that out real soon. So the first thing I'm going to do is, on my throttle side, I have a lever guard. So I'm going to remove the lever guard. All right, and everything that's needed to install the Magic Arm is in the box, and it supports different styles of handlebar ends. You know, whether your handlebar is hollow or it has some sort of bolt inside, what we're going to need to get this nicely installed is here in the box. And they even enclosed an Allen key so we can tighten everything up. So I'm going to install the Magic Arm extension piece right there onto the handlebar. Slips right in. There we go. And now I will tighten it with the supplied Allen key. Boom, done. That's simple. So now I want to install the Magic Arm extension piece onto the motorcycle. And this right here, look at the quality of this piece right here. This is a nice grade of aluminum, and it doesn't harm the motorcycle at all. And we'll just tighten that up. There we go. Boom, guys. It is that simple. Look how easy that is to install onto the motorcycle. All right, so we got the Magic Arms installed onto the bike. Super sturdy and stable. They don't move an inch when properly installed. And just to remind you guys again, installation instructions on how to install the Magic Arm are in the box, and you can install them on a variety of motorcycle handlebars, whether they're hollow inside or they have a bolt or whatever. In the kit is everything that you will need to install these beautiful Magic Arms on your motorcycle. And if you're wondering, I'm probably not going to have a Magic Arm on each side of the bike. I'm just going to probably leave it on my left side here and leave my throttle side open. But for this video, we're going to demonstrate how it looks and feels to use the Magic Arm on the motorcycle with the Marc Marquez X5 on the left and the Marc Marquez Ace Pro 2 on the right. I'm also today using, for one of the first times, these beautiful new Alpinestars SP9 gloves. And what I like about these gloves is that the knuckle area has a lot of protection, and it has venting with a beautiful mesh, you know, look to it here on the knuckle area. These gloves are very comfortable. They fit over your riding jacket, so they are gauntlet style gloves. And of course, they have the Alpine Stars quality that we've known to love about their products. So yeah, we're going to ride a little bit more with these beautiful gloves, but let's take a look at the butchered bike. Yes, it's butchered, and what that means is that we lowered this bike 1 inch than it was stock, and that's not a lot, but what that's going to allow me to do is when I'm doing straight line accelerating and racing, it'll allow me to just take off really fast without the bike doing a lot of wheelies. That's pretty awesome. That's exactly what I'm looking for out of this motorcycle. So as we look at it, it does not look ridiculous, and we're still using the OEM style kicking stand from Moto Million. We got that beautiful blue one right there. We did not have to hack this or anything like that. We're still using it, and it still keeps the bike up, and it's working great. Let's give this beautiful bike the cold start that it deserves. There we go. Yeah. Beautiful bike, looks and sounds great. Now it's time for us to do some riding and test out the Insta360 Magic Arms. Surprisingly, there are people out there that think that just because this bike is butchered just a little bit, lowered 1 inch, that it won't corner. But as you can see, it still corners very well, and you can enjoy yourself on this beautiful bike. Now, you probably wouldn't want to do a track day with it being lowered 1 inch, but you can still enjoy your canyon carving, your country roads, or whatever else you like to do on your motorcycle, even when it's butchered. Now, on the left side, we've got the X5 Marc Marquez. On the right side, we've got the Ace Pro 2 Marc Marquez. How do these images look while riding the bike? I mean, it looks like the arm, the Magic Arm, is very stable. I don't see very much movement with those cameras at all. I'm very excited to get home and take a look at this footage, but I like it so far. And you don't feel anything, guys. If you're wondering if you feel the added weight on the handlebars, you don't. It's like it's magic. It's like those cameras and these beautiful sticks aren't even there. We got a guy behind me on the Ducati. Maybe I know him, maybe I don't. I don't know. We'll see. But what I do know is that these Insta360 Magic Arms are so nice. I can't wait to use this in a smackdown scenario where I'm racing against someone, and you'll be able to capture the entire race with these beautiful arms. That's coming up next. Today's video was just to show you how easy it is to install them, how awesome they are, how they look when you're riding your motorcycle. But stay tuned, because you're going to see a lot of use of these Magic Arms on my motorcycles. And this bike is so great to ride, butchered or not. It's even more fun to ride now that it's lowered. It cuts through the air a little easier. And as you can see, it can still corner, and it can still perform like a super bike. How are you?
I'm all right. Yourself?
Good, buddy.
Thank you.
I like your Street Fighter. Nice.
I appreciate it. I like the Panigale.
Thank you.
What's the topic for today?
The topic of today are these beautiful Magic Arms from Insta360.
Hey, that's a crazy setup you got.
Yes, it is. Yeah. On this side, we've got the Ace Pro 2 Marc Marquez. On this side, the X5 Marc Marquez. On the helmet, we've got an Ace Pro 2. We're just all Insta360 out.
Setup right there.
Yeah, I love your Alpine Stars gear.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I like yours too.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just doing some cruising, probably going to maybe head downtown or something.
Yeah, downtown Akron or Cleveland?
Cleveland. Filthy Cleveland, yeah.
Did you grow up in Akron or?
Yeah, oh, you've got the R7.
R7?
How do you like it?
Bought it right there.
Yeah, how do you like it?
Yep, it's awesome, I love it. It came from the AGV K6.
Yes.
It's a little overdue, time for upgrade, but.
Good deal, man, that's nice.
Budget friendly, a lot of good options on the helmet.
You know what you're missing? The SP9 gloves.
I have them.
You got the SP9s, these new ones? Aren't they awesome?
They are very awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. They're available in white and blue. I'm gonna get them. They're gonna match the jacket real nice.
Yeah. No, I do have gloves. You'll see them next time at Nelson's, but.
Yeah, cool, man. Well, in case you're wondering how the Magic Arm is holding up, doing some highway cruising at speeds, well, let's just say at speeds, it's doing good, very stable. And again, it's like, it's not even there, you don't feel it. Really cool. Yeah, and that's why, guys, you always gotta be mindful. Keep your eyes open. That could have been a pretty crazy scenario there, but thank goodness it was not. Because even though I am motovlogging, I'm able to multitask. I was able to pay attention to the road while conveying to you guys just how awesome the Insta360 Magic Arm is on my Butcher Panigale. And I can't wait to install this Magic Arm on my turbocharged Hoggy. That's going to be nice. I'm going to put it on the right-hand side so that hopefully it will capture the beautiful Trask turbo and everything else. There's always construction going on in filthy Cleveland. And that's a good thing because these roads, as you've noticed in my videos, they need lots of improvement. Lots of improvement indeed. I'll tell you what does not need improvement, and that's this beautiful Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. What a beautiful machine from our friends from Bologna. You know, the guys over at Ducati and girls, they know how to design a beautiful bike and how to keep the bike constantly interesting and constantly being desired by their core audience. I mean, even though I have this beautiful Tricolore Italia, I'd still desire the Superleggera. And I would love to have that bike. We'll see if it ends up in my garage. That would be totally, totally amazing. What's also amazing is this beautiful Insta360 Magic Arm. Look at these bumps we're going over. These bumps are so violent, and they're known to eject people from their motorcycles, and yet the Magic Arm is nice and steady, capturing this beautiful footage for you, for your beautiful eyeballs. I love it when I get a break in the traffic and I'm able just to take this corner at some really good speed, but not so much right now. I'm behind a vehicle that I shouldn't be behind. I will try to get out of here. I'm known for not being a very good person at tucking when racing my motorcycles. I'm trying to do a better job at that, but I will say while racing requires a lot of attention. But it's really just amazing how this bike, it's just like a miniature bullet bike. Now that it's been lowered just 1 inch. We didn't go crazy. We didn't lower it 2 inches or anything like that. 1 inch is just fine. Got a bunch of bikes out there. Looks like they're not letting people down by the pier. That's where we usually hang out. Hi guys! How's it going? Looks like they're not letting people back there, huh? Oh well.
I think we're gonna go up to blue light.
Blue light? Yeah. I'm gonna head over to our next favorite place, the Sheets. Right? Yeah.
Or we could do that.
There's gotta be, thank you. There's gotta be people over at the Sheets.
There is. There's a lot of people at Sheets right
There we go.